Hello, I am Suti, coming to you from India, the streets here of Delhi. It is very bumpy here. Sorry, I am in this rickshaw trying to get out of India. But before I do, I have something for you. You need to learn connotations and denotations. These are very good to know. Do the practice. You have to do it. Submit it to Schoology. You will be present then. You have until 4 o'clock p.m. today to submit it to me. So, better to be early. Also, you have a test next week. Please study for it. If you don't study, you will not do very well. This is too bumpy, driver. Stop it. Turn it off also, the music. I just broke up with my boyfriend. Boyfriend song. I don't have a boyfriend unless you would like to be my boyfriend. He can stop the rickshaw and I will talk to him. Boys and girls, I bid you farewell. Someday you should come visit me in India.